Hi, it's me again. 21 months locked, almost a year. So I'm just coming in to chit chat, give you an update. I feel like I say the same things every month regarding my locks, like, oh, I'm not seeing any big changes and blah 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 blah. So this month is kind of kind of the same. I do notice that they are growing, they're getting longer. I feel like I have more like hang time. I feel like they're just sitting on my shoulders. So that's a good feeling. I feel like they're easily able to like manipulate, like if I want to put them up or whatever. I just feel like because they're growing, they're easier to handle. What else? What else? What else? I did a retwist, and I made a video on it. So it, if it's not already posted, it will be soon. Check it out. But I hadn't retwisted in since like September of last year, so it's been a long time. And I just decided to because I just want to keep my locks somewhat manicured. I know I'm semi free forming, but at the same time I kind of still want to keep my parts. So I made sure to retwist, and I also start thinking to myself that I should go to a salon and get them twisted probably like 4 times a year. So I'm thinking like once a quarter, 4 times a year I'll go and get them wash and retwist it, because honestly I have never been to a salon when I had locks. So I think it would be nice just to be pampered and to go and have somebody wash your hair and really look at your hair. So that's that. Other than that, I am doing the same old stuff, washing my hair about every 2 weeks now, and 2-strand twisting it. And I am trying something new. It's called pineappling. It's not a new thing. It's been happening. I used to do it with my natural hair when I had loose hair, but I said, hey, let me try it for locks and see if it works. So I've been trying that, and I'll insert a little video to show you guys. So, good morning. So something that I've been trying during this time is, and I'm about 20 months locked or so, 21, is pineappling. So it's the morning time now, but at night what I'll do is just take my headscarf. My headscarf is on, I'll take it off in a minute, but I'll just go over with my headscarf like this. Hopefully you can still see me. Locks are up, and then I just tie it. All right, so that's that. I sweep like that, well, like that. Now in the morning, I take them down and I shake them out. And my hair is almost about a week old at this point, but I'm just taking them down, shaking them out. And I noticed, because as you guys know, I always do like the 2-strand twist on my locks, but I noticed this kind of holds the wave a little more. So yeah. So then I will just do I always like kind of try to have a part right here. Do my little part. I'll still moisturize with the rose water glycerin. Might do some oil, but I don't think I'm gonna do any oil today. And I'm pretty much done. So yeah, that's that. I also a little while ago had recorded a in-depth look at my locks a few months ago, and so I'm gonna show you that video as well. All right, so I wanted to give you guys an in-depth look at my locks because you never see them straight like this because I'm always twisting them. So I just washed my hair and I'm about to twist it out, but before I do, I just wanted to show you what they look like straight and how like thick they are. So I'll start right here in the front. I don't know, you can just look at my roots and see like the thickness of them. Sorry, that's my dog if you can hear him. I still have a few curly ends. Let's see. I'm looking in my mirror. I don't know why he's barking like that. So, a few curly ends. Yeah, there's one curly end right there, if you can see. And of course, that's just for me having started with 2-strand twist, and I don't know if this end will ever lock. And that's okay with me because when they get long enough, I'll just cut that off. Okay, hold on one second. Let me get him. All right, I wanted to show you guys this one. So this is kind of what happens when you don't retwist. This one is like my flat one. I like to call this one my Congo lock because look, it's flat. You can tell this is the 2-strand twisted part that I started with, and then you can tell in what, 17 months, this is how much my hair, probably, yeah, I'd say 17 months my hair has probably grew this much from here to there. All right, let me show you the back. Here's the back. So yeah, like that. Some thick ones back here. There's a thick one back there. Where's another thick one? I think they're all pretty thick in the back. Good shot of my roots. Hopefully not too close. Alright. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully I was close enough. Alright. So yeah, I retwisted on oh shoot, about 4 or 5 days ago. So this is a 4 or 5 day old retwist, but it's still holding up pretty well. Yeah, as you can see, it's still, I mean, you know, I don't care about fuzzy roots. The roots are a little bit fuzzy right now, but that does not bother me at all. But yeah, so I have just been kind of 2-strand twisting them at night to try to keep the retwist to last a little longer. I don't know how long it'll last, but it's whatever. What else? Oh, let me show you this little nice painting that one of my friends gave me for my birthday. It kind of reminds you of when I had my locks in like a little ponytail when I was first starting out, like my my baby locks or whatever, teenage locks. But anyway, yeah, her friend painted this. I want to get it framed. I just think it's so cute. I want to get a nice frame for it and hang it up. But I'll leave her information below in the description box in case you all want to get a painting. She does a lot of nice things. But yeah, that is about it. I know I keep saying it, I do plan on dyeing my locks black again because I just like to have them just dark and like rich in black color. So I plan on doing that again. I don't know when. It's summer vacation right now. I might wait until, I'm a teacher, so we're off for the summer. And of course, we've been off for quarantine since March as well. But I might wait until we go back to school in August to dye it black, just so it's fresh then. I have no plans of retwisting again anytime soon. Like I said, I do want to start going to the salon, so I don't know. Everything's up in the air, but I'm just like enjoying this lock journey, this semi freeform lock journey. I have no regrets about it so far. I'm loving that I made my locks thicker this time. I only have 46 this time, and I love it. Like I said in some of my other videos, I've had probably had over 100 locks in my first 2 lock journeys. But now less locks, just overall less maintenance. I like the way they look. Yeah, I'm just happy. So if you're on your journey, continue on, don't stop. You'll have some good days, you'll have some not so good days, but that's just the way life is, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.